Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, Monkey. Hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Today, we're going to be... Monkey out of the way, so he's not in the way. We'll be doing these. These are... See if you can see there. Just get the... better. Delosperma floribundia. These are from Thompson & Morgan. And I didn't think these were going to grow. These are a ground cover plant. Beautiful called store-based, I think, and beautiful purpley pale blue flowers. I only noticed these when I was going to empty this tray, thinking nothing had actually germinated. But luckily, some had. So first thing I need to do is just... This is a peat-based compost. This is recycled compost. This is from last year's plants. It has been emptied, dried out, and then just left. And I've run some warm, some cold water through it a few times, and then let it dry. So yeah, all you need to do is get your knife or your pen, as I do. Just prick underneath, and then spin this around a little bit. What you need to do then is to get that properly. And all we need to do then is just with your forefinger, you want to plant it at the same level it was in the tray. Yeah, like I said, this is a peat-based compost. And to feed them, I'm using this. You want to know, this is Miracle Grow all-purpose soluble plant food. Really good quality feed, that. What I do is mix just a little bit up in my little watering bottle when they're potted on. So yeah, these have been started off in a tray of vermiculite and peat-based compost. I'm really looking forward to seeing these grow. They need a really quite a dry place, full sun, and they don't want to be in a waterlogged area. As you can see with the leaves on here, they're designed to store water. These are quite fat and plump leaves, so they're designed to keep water so you can cope when it's dry. So yeah, in like so, give it a tap down, and then in the middle, bit of compost around there, put it to one side. Just do a few more of these. Yeah, like I said, you have to be patient. Even me, I've been doing gardening for years. Sometimes I get a little bit impatient, and if I'd have thrown these out, if I'd have looked at this a couple of days earlier, I wouldn't have noticed any growth at all. So these would have gone in the bin, even though it turns out these are really good quality plants. But yeah, Thompson & Morgan, from these, they weren't cheap. They were might have been £3.50, something like that. I think they're on offer at the moment, £2 something. Really worth it. Like I said, give it a fair few weeks before you decide to chuck these out if you think they're not germinating. Learn by my mistakes. Yeah, hope everybody's keeping fine. We've had a really good few days here, the weather-wise, and it's going to be 17-18 degrees, which is really warm for this time of year here in the UK. So in here it got up to 103 yesterday and the day before in here. So luckily I've got my fan that I switched on and opened the door and the window and just let some of the hot air out, because I don't want to cook these plants. It's the last thing you want to do. Spend all this time and effort, and then just because you're not paying attention, a really warm spring day, and you kill all your seedlings that you've grown. Yeah, these only grow a few inches tall, but if you go online, you'll see what a beautiful carpet of flowers you get from them. Absolutely amazing. You will not be disappointed. Right, I'm just going to grow these in pots this year. I'll keep from putting them on into bigger and bigger pots, and I shall find somewhere for them next year. I'm going to have a little raised rockery, I think. I'll enjoy doing. Yeah, so that's how to do them. Once I've done them like that, what I'll do with this is Really good water from the top. This gets rid of any air pockets, because you do not want any air pockets where the roots are, so you can kill them. As you can see, this is used compost. It has a little bit of perlite in there from when I've been growing seedlings. And it's got some vermiculite in as well, but it's peat based, really good moisture retention. This has had a really good watering feed now. And where these will go is, let's get these, show you where I'm going to put these. 2 seconds, folks. Let's get these other 2. And then we'll have a quick turn round. Look at that, it is 20 to 6, but that's an hour slow, 27 it is now, I think. And then look on here. Here we go. These are going under my LED T5 grow lights, and these will do really well under here. They're on 18 hours daylight, 6 hours night time, and they really enjoy it well. Look at these. These have been under there a few days, and these cosmos, and they've come on really, really well, those. So yeah, that is part 2 of how to grow Delosperma floribundia. How to pot on into 9cm plastic pots. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Say bye, monkey. Bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Nice to see you, folks. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.